Okay, today I want to cover another aspect of CLightning plugin development. Since CLightning plugins can provide RPC commands, well, those commands can be available to other CLightning plugins. So what I'm going to do is take the multifund plugin that I've showed you before and take this other plugin by Connor Scott. It's called quickfund, and it allows you to fund it's kind of like a low budget autopilot is what it is. And so what I did was take this to modify it. Instead of calling inline the fundchannel RPC command that's built into CLightning, what I'm going to do is just save everything up and call the multifund just one time. So here's this Connor Scott Bitcoin Never Dies from somewhere in Georgia. I took his plugin and create this branch, the multifund. So that's there if you want to take a look at it, but it's pretty simple. And it's using this multifund plugin, which you can see the format there. And basically what you have, let me go over this. quickfund, takes on-chain fund, it provides on-chain funds, simply creating channels with top capacity nodes. This is not recommended for mainnet as it is a bad strategy, but it's perfect for us because it's a low budget autopilot. So here we go. I'll come over to first show you the change I made. On the left you can see in the red is calling the built-in RPC fundchannel command. And what I did was, I created a payload on the right hand side above in the green. And as I go through the loop, instead of calling the fundchannel command, I put them into a format that the multifund plugin will understand. Then at the bottom in the green, I call directly the fundMulti RPC command that is provided by the other plugin. So here we have two plugins working in harmony. So let's go to my dev environment. I have a bunch of peers pre-connected because it's in RegTest, and you can't really to connect in RegTest you need to tell it the host and port. So I'm kind of cheating here a little bit, but what I've got here is plugins. I launched with the quickfund plugin that I modified, and then the multifund plugin, which I've showed you before. So they're both up and running. Now I should be able to call this quickfund command, and I'm giving it 450,000 Satoshis divided between 4 channels. So I'm pretty much connecting to everybody that I got up and running. But I call that, I got a success. I go back to my peers. You can see now I got a bunch of channels with a capacity that is 1/4 of that amount minus fees and divided evenly. So if I come back to my Bitcoin node and generate some blocks, eventually I can go back in here and see, oh, that was pretty quick this time. So I got block 218. I got transaction index in that block of number 1, and then I got output index 0, 1, 2, and 3. So I have my 4 channels created using 2 plugins, one of them to find who to connect to and the other to do it all in one transaction. So pretty cool feature of CLightning that allows you to do this, and it's just one step of just showing how awesome the C plugin architecture is, just the things you can do being able to interact with between plugins. So there you have it.